What is going on, guys? It's me, Vince, again with another video. And today it's actually a Sunday and I don't have that much things to do, so why not do a little mod on the truck, which I've been wanting to do for quite a while now. So as you can tell, if you have a Toyota Tacoma, the interior of the truck is pretty dead, to be honest. It's all black, and you know, so what I did was actually painted this part here white. I put this vinyl here white as well to give some accents to the interior. And what better way to, you know, do a final touch on the interior by actually painting this part here white too. So as you can tell, the door of the Tacoma is pretty dead. It's just black, all of that. So, well, besides this chrome part right here. But yeah, so I'm gonna just try to paint this white to give a little accent to it. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, and hope you guys like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so I actually did pop it open already, but what you're gonna do is pretty much just get a prying tool, or in my situation I just use my blade. So what you're gonna do is just try to insert this prying tool or your blade here and just twist it like that. Like that. It's just gonna pop out easily. And also on this part right here, you do the same thing and then just twist it like that. Okay, so it's just gonna pop out easily, and no need to worry about like breaking any tabs or anything like that. And it goes to all four doors. You're gonna just do it like that, and when you remove it, you're just pretty much gonna remove all the pins. It's pretty easy. And just make sure to know where to return or like plug it back when you're done. So I have all four panels here now. So what I'm gonna do is just try to mask and follow these lines here. Just cover this part, because what we're just gonna paint is just this part right here. So as you can see, they're all masked already. So let's go ahead and paint this bad boys. Okay, so once the paint dries up, all you have to do is just remove the masks. So make sure you connect all of the wirings back before you snap it back in. Simple as that.